more, and then press. Tap. Wow, you made it, Zaid. Oh, another molder. Oh, a lot of molders here. Oh, the turtle. Look, Mama will make turtle.
Zaid will make turtle.
Oh, here. Oh, here. Chadeng. Here. Oh, Zido will make.
Dig. You're digging.
What?
Oh.
He destroyed what I made. His voice too much. Oh, crayfish. Mama will do it. Mama will do it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Too much attention. Don't do that, Zay. It's not good.
No,
Okay.
Zido.
Oh my gosh. Clean up. Sige, put the sand there. Put them back. Here. Very good. Small only. You will cut it?
Put the shovel.
Oh.
Put the sand here in the pool.
Okay. And then what you will make?
Swimming pool.
Oh, and then what you will make?
Castle.
Oh, go make castle
And
na.
make a jellyfish.
Jellyfish? Oh. Oh, here. Oh.
Zido.
See? Nice.
And Zaid will make it.
He always destroys. Only Zido.
Only Zido.
Oh, go. This side, don't go that side. Because the sand will fall in the mat. Okay, I like that. Sige. Very good. No need to carry. Only like this. Oh, tap and then remove the molder. See? Just like that.
Just like that.
Yes.
Now, let's move more.
No need lagi to touch. Just put it here.
One shovel.
Okay, you will chop it. This boy, he wants his own ways. Oh, enough na, enough.
Now, make it.
Oh, keep away from the mat. Move this side.
Then make a boat.
You want to make a boat? Okay.
Now, it's the castle. No, it's the castle. Put more.
Put more. Use lagi the shovel.
Put it here.